Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the best hex codes for metallic colors on Just Press. So let's start with silver. I'm just going to do it on just this top. So the first silver one is just super simple. It's F8, F8, F8. And you're going to just copy and paste that. You can just add the obviously metallic sheen to get it more metallic, I guess. It just is pretty much a little bit, it's just pretty much white, like the color. But this is the first like hex code that you can save. Just go here if you want to save that hex code. If you don't, it's okay, we still have a lot to do. It's CO, CO, CO. That's the second one. Here, I'll show you what it looks like all together with the metallic material. The third one, we have 717171. It is darker like this, super cute. Next we have bronze. Okay, so the first one is CD7F32. This is the bronze metallic color, super cute as well. Then there is also 8C6, sorry, I wrote this down, 239, still in that bronze color palette. Then we have 5A, 5A3E, 1B. I think this should be like the darkest out of all of them. So I'm like starting from a light to dark palette. Next, I'm going to do the gold one. So it's DCC 478. That's the first one. It's more like of a yellowy gold color. Then we have BE9. Whoops. BE923C. I really like this gold color just because it's super simple and nice. I think I might add that actually. And then we have 8B65 and then 08. We have this also nice gold color. Lastly, we have the rose gold palette. We have 3 more hex codes. So F4, C2, C2. It's more of like a light pink color. It actually looks more purple. But next is E6, A0, A8. Okay, I like this one a little bit better. It is prettier. Super cute. And lastly, we have the A45, A52. This is a little bit of a darker color, but it's super pretty nonetheless. And those are the metallic colors that I think you should save on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.